Happy New Year! So today, and then our baby is ready.
Dressing up.
Dressing up.
Hi guys.
Video okay. Hi everyone! Happy New Year! So today is December 31, 2024, the last day of this year. So kamusta kayo guys? Kamusta ang inyong paghahanda sa New Year's Eve? So kami, nakabili na kami ng aming mga lulutuin yesterday and mamaya is magluluto na kami. Ngayon is nagde-devotion lang muna ako for the last day of the year, and then yan na yung prutas namin. Wala kaming decoration. Then yan ang aking anak, busy sa kanyang pagdodraw ng number blocks. So ayan, nagising kami ng 9 AM, kami ni Adriel. So si Dada is tulog pa ngayon kasi galing siyang night shift. So pagkagising niya is magluluto na kami and magbe-bake din ako ng cake. So ayun guys, gusto ko lang siyang i-film for today's video and to share to you ano yung ganap namin for this New Year's Eve as a family of 3 dito sa UK. And it's our first salubong for New Year and I just want to remember this day. And ipapakita kay Adriel soon that this is how we celebrate our New Year together as a family dito sa UK. So ayan guys, we're very thankful and grateful to the Lord because this year is an answered prayer year for us as a family. Nakapasa ako ng OSCE and UKRN na. Nakabili kami ng, hindi nakabili. Nakahanap kami ng bahay na rerentahan, which is itong tinitirhan namin ngayon. Dumating si Adriel at saka si Dada dito sa UK, naka-work si Dada, nag-start ng nursery si Adriel, nag-start ng reception. Basta, ang daming ginawa ang Lord sa aming family this 2024. And He is so good, He is so faithful. All praises and glory belongs to Him alone. And kung faithful si Lord sa amin, He will be faithful to you as well. He is same God, He never changed. So, and if He's faithful to us last year, He will also be faithful and more faithful for the coming years, which is 2025. So, ayan. Yes, love.
Why is not tree like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is not the same tree.
Yes, but it's a tree. It's a body. This is a body. It's only side view. Side view of number 3.
No, because it's not the same. It's only 6 number blocks.
Okay. I don't know, but that's what we see in the video. That's why you wrote that one.
No. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 3 blocks. Like we have 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And
So, ayan guys.
it's not the same.
Okay, it's not the same.
This is 6 blocks. And
6.
It's not the same. It's like that. It's number 6.
Okay. So, ayun guys, update ko kayo later sa mga gagawin namin. And hopefully, you have a blessed New Year and declaring God's blessing more sa 2025. And yun nga, always pray and God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. So thank you guys. See you again. So hi everyone. Magla-lunch na muna kami. Time check, it's 12:05. So ang lunch namin is egg. So ayan tapos nagising na din si Dada. So ayun guys. Hi guys, time check, it's 1:25. So andito ako ngayon sa kusina. And i-clear lang natin itong sink ko. Ayan, para ready na tayo mag-cook. So, si Dada bumili ng Shanghai, like lumpia wrapper. Then yung pang Shanghai, at coating tablecloth, at saka 2025 na number. At least, may dikit lang kami sa wall. Then, mag-bake na ako ng aking OB cake ngayong after ko maghugas. And then, our baby is ready.
Dressing up.
Dressing up. So, what do you have?
I got picture, choose, dramas, and Crocodimus.
Wow, Pikachu, jumper, and trousers. Yeah, are you excited?
Pikachu.
Are you excited?
Pikachu and
Yeah.
And-
That's it. Yeah, Pikachu.
books. Pikachu books.
Yeah. So, ayun guys. So, hindi niyo ako mag-bake mamaya. So, hi everyone. Quick update. Time check, it's 2 p.m. Yan na si Daddy.
Hi guys.
Ang Shanghai recipe. Ako naman is ang aking cake. Ube. So, yan na. Ilalagay na natin ang ating ube jam. Yan. So, yan ang aming cake for today. So, kanya-kanya kami ng assignment, guys. Si Dada ulam, ako naman dessert. So, ayan. I'll update you later again, guys. And our baby loves is watching TV. Kaya, ayun. So, thank you so much. See you later. So, ayun guys, ready na ang ating ube cake mixture. So, i-preheat na natin ang ating oven to 3.5 for 40 minutes. So, ayan, ilipat na lang natin siya sa baking pan.
20 minutes?
Baking pan. And, ayan. Excited for the result of this one. So, ngayon naman, gawa tayo ng frosting. So, I have heavy cream. Pinainit ko lang and white chocolate para sa ating frosting, sa ating cake. So, ayan, nilagay na ni Adriel. So, ayan guys. So, ayan na guys, ang ating frosting. White chocolate at saka heavy cream. At saka nilagyan ko lang ng food coloring. So, ayun guys, na-wrap na ni Daddy ang kanyang lumpia and i-deep fry na lang natin to later on. And then, yung cake ko is nasa
2025. Right,
oven na. Ayan, ang ating
2025.
cake.
Where is it? 202. Naman na.
First batch ng ating Shanghai. Ano pang next recipe mo, Daddy?
Gagawa ako ng igado. Dapat igado merong atay ng ano eh. Baboy.
Meron dun.
Ano ba? Wala nang tinda. Ano yun? Muslim ano yun?
So, ayan, luto na ang ating ubi cake. Ilalagay na natin ang frosting later. Ayan siya. So, yan na yung itsura ng cake natin, guys. Ube cake. Ayan. Paano ba ito i-flash? Hindi masyadong kita yung pagka-ube niya. Pero, ayan, ube talaga yan. So, one down. Ayan, kami ni Dada. Sabi ko kay Dada, guys. Kaya yung iba, gusto na lang kumain sa labas. Kasi walang ganito. Luto. Hugasin. Kalat sa countertop. Ayan. Then ang aftercare mamaya niyan is walang iba kundi a cake. So ayan, nagluluto pa rin kami. Time check 4:15 na ng hapon. So ayan guys, na-discover ko na siya kung paano maglagay ng frosting. Diba? So my first ever frosted cake. Ube cake. So, ayan. Diba, ang tsura niya, guys. Pwede na ba ibenta to, guys? May bibili kaya nito? Ayan lang ni Daddy, guys. Luto na yan, Daddy? Tapos, ikado. Gasin. Yay!
Mamaya.
So, ayan, nagsisimula na tayong maglinis. Then, after this, magbibihis na din ako. So, ito na lang yung natira sa hugasin ko, guys. Tsaka ito. Ito yung rice ni Daddy. And then, yung food waste natin. Na medyo okay na ang ating kitchen counter. So, ayan.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Bibihis lang ako and then kakain na kami. So, hi everyone! Ayan, nakabihis na ako. And then si Adriel, and kumakain na ng pizza. At saka si Dada, yun ang kaming OOTD. And ito na aming buong handa. So, ayan guys. Samahan nyo kami sa aming pag-celebrate ng New Year's Eve. Time check, it's 6:15 pa rin dito. So, hindi pa talaga siya New Year. Pero, kailangan na namin kumain kasi gutom na kami. Sa table namin, we have fruits. Ito yung binake ko na ube cake. At ito yung peach
Wait lang.
tapioca.
Wait, mami.
Pizza, Shanghai, igado,
Tupa.
lamb na may special rice si Daddy. At saka pizza. So, ayan.
Balutin ito ng malinis na tela at agad pumunta sa pagkamutan. Bianca Dava, ABS-CBN News.
I'm full now.
Ayan, full now. Okay, well done.
Ang mga na-confine sa kalapit na Jose Fabella Memorial Hospital
Happy New Year!
mula alas 4 Martes ng hapon, nasa 5 ang naka-admit na nanay na maaari na nakakalas at magsilang ng New Year baby. Wala rin holiday ang
Yum!
Significant na parang ito yung nagiging barometer natin kung gaano kataas o yung tawag na fertility.
How was it? How was it?
Sa Pilipinas.
Good? So, and guys, tapos na kami kumain. And, nandito lang kami sa sofa. Nakaupo. Ayan. A blessed New Year, everyone. God bless you. Alright ko. I love you. Happy New Year. Video okay na si Dada, guys.
Magbabago, ikaw lang ang iibigin ko, kahit ikaw ay
Time check guys, it's 11:46. So ito yung theme ng aking prayer journal this year. It's 2025 Heart's Desire. So magsulat na tayo. Happy New Year. Fireworks. Ayun Daddy, oh my fireworks. Yun nga guys, habang nagsusulat ako ng aking 2025 Heart's Desire is meron ng pa-fireworks dito sa amin. So, hindi lang din sobrang tagal, a few minutes lang. So, it's January 1, 2025 na officially. So, ayan. And as you can see, ang aming street is sobrang tahimik. Even yung mga bahay, wala nang ilaw. Siguro tulog sila or di kaya wala sila sa kanilang bahay. Nag-holiday. Hindi ko sure talaga. So, hindi talaga sila nagsiselebrate dito ng Christmas Eve at saka New Year's Eve. Nagsiselebrate sila yung mismong araw mismo. Like December 25 at saka January 1. So, ayun guys, ang kaganapan namin sa aming New Year's Eve. Nag-stop na din kami mag-videoke ni Dada kasi sabi namin kami lang ata ang maingay. Baka katukid kami ng aming mga kapitbahay dito kasi maingay na yung pagkakanta namin. So, no choice. Natulog ng maaga si Dada at saka si Adriel. Ako naman, naghintay lang talaga ng 12 midnight. So, ayun lang guys, ang aming ganap no New Year's Eve. Thank you so much sa inyong pagsama and samahan niyo pa kami sa aming mga future videos this 2025. Ingat kayo and God bless you. Happy New Year!